Hello! In this video, we're going to set up a Zenith 16 as a UHF Rover. Let's start XPad. Let's make a new job, and we'll call it UHF Rover Demo. That looks great. Click on Accept. Now, I don't have a profile for a UHF Rover yet. Let's go to Settings, GNSS Total Stations, and let's add a new profile. It's going to be a GNSS receiver. Let's call it Z16 UHF Rover. It is a Zenith 16, not a 15. Click on Next. The Bluetooth ID is correct for this receiver. I'll click on Next again. I'm going to use the internal radio. I'll select it and click Next. Now in the United States, I'm not allowed to hand enter a frequency, so I need to recall the frequency from the channel table in the receiver. I can do that by clicking on Tools, and then Load Configuration from Receiver.
Receiver connected.
Great. The channel number 461025 is the correct channel. Because this is a Rover and I'm not transmitting data, I don't need to broadcast my FCC ID, so we'll leave that turned off. Everything's fine here. We'll click Next. I do want to use Beidou and Galileo satellites. 15 degrees is a great setting for the cutoff angle. I'll click on Next, and this is a 2-meter pole. I'll click on Accept, and I'll configure the receiver.
Connected. Receiver configured.
So now I have an instrument profile, and it's the current profile for a UHF Rover. I'll click on Back, and I'm going to go to the GNSS icon on the bottom of the screen. We already have a fixed position, so we're ready to survey. I can click on the back arrow and then go to Survey and Survey Points. I'll click on Measure and Store at the bottom. Took a 15 epoch 3-second average and stored the position. I'm ready to survey. That's all I have for this video. I'll see you in the next XPad video. Thank you very much for watching.